Introducing the last kit, the lateral approach sinus kit that safely raises the sinus membrane without perforation. The patented drill designs, both dome and core drills, feature rounded cutting edges that minimize direct contact with the membrane. In this way, lateral windows can be created safely. The dome drill in the last kit helps lift the sinus membrane safely while collecting autogenous bone particles between the cutting blades. By creating bone chips between the blades, the core drill's rounded cutting edge reduces the chances of direct contact with the membrane. The last kit's dome and core drills are specifically designed to create the lateral window safely. Last kit allows for more precise control over drill depth. The last kit features drill stoppers in 0.5 mm increments. 6 different lengths of drill stopper allows for more precise control over drill depth when creating a lateral window. All these last kit features contribute to safer sinus lifting surgery and reduce the chances of sinus membrane perforation. Let's go over the advantages of our last kit. It is specifically designed to help surgeons to create lateral windows safely with the patented drill design. 6 different lengths of drill stoppers with 0.5 mm increments allow for more precise control over drill depth. Try the last kit specifically designed for clinicians to perform a sinus lift safely in a short time.